Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZOM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another consolidation day here. Price was actually kind of all over the place when you stop and think about the fact that there was that gap down, but then the price recovered back nicely. But overall, nothing really major happened in terms of levels of resistance being broken or levels of support. A major thing in a bad way would have been had the price come down to that green line right there, which is represented at 80 cents, and then, crash down through that. That would have been a very eventful day, in a bearish type of way. But like I said, that didn't. It kind of came close to being tested right there, but even there, not really. So that event never even really happened or came close to happening. But the level that seems to be within striking distance, and doesn't mean that it's gonna actually occur or anything like that. But I'm very curious now about this area right up there at the $10.10-ish area, give or take a couple pennies. This was a former area of support right here, and then it was broken. And there's a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So my question going forward, and I think a lot of people are probably going to be watching wondering this, is if the price can get up to 110 right around that area and break above it, there's going to be a lot of breakout players watching that area. Therefore, a break of that level could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure for call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. But, those events do, occur, and that can definitely be one of those areas where, a lot of people, like I said, watching $1.10 as that main breakout area. So really going into Friday, and really not necessarily just Friday, but the coming days, maybe this thing is just really getting ready to enter into a longer period sideways channel pattern. Again, top of the channel being the resistance up there at $1.10, bottom of the channel being the support down there at 80 cents. So that's a very real possibility too, but it'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.